Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing here. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to part hair using rubber band for buzz braids. Do you want to learn more about this channel? Please kindly subscribe now. As you watch, share this video to your loved ones so that they can be able to learn more about this channel. Thank you guys. Let's go. So what I have here, I have bright white gel. Right now I am going to be sectioning the hair. Before sectioning the hair guys, I will apply the bright white gel all over my hair before I will now start sectioning the hair. As you can see right now guys, I am sectioning the hair. The first step have to be 3 parts, you see, and before you will now use your rubber band to hold the hair, you have to wet it with oil. I hope you can see it guys. Wet it with oil before you now use the rubber band to hold the hair. So what we have here, what I have here, I have 3 hair just for one line. You can see it. Yes, I know it's very difficult, you know. So the secrets you don't know here, what I do here, I just bring out my front mirror, and my back mirror have to be my camera. I hope you can see it guys. I am using the front mirror and the back mirror, which is my camera, you know, to cut or to section the hair, because if I don't do that, I think that would be a little bit, you know, difficult to me. So that is why I'm using front mirror and back mirror, which is my camera. Yes. So do you see the way I'm achieving this? Please guys, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please just subscribe guys. Just do that for me, okay? Subscribe, like, share this video to your loved ones, okay guys? like this back here, I'm just trying my best to make sure that I section the hair very well. You know, I don't have eye on my back, so that is why I am using like front mirror and back mirror as my camera. Okay guys, so just for me to achieve the best from this hair, as you can see right now. Yeah, so what I do here, I will just have to bring out the baby hair. You know, you guys know that I don't have hair on my edges, so we just have to just, you know, kindly bring out the baby hair to make sure that the front is neat and so perfect, as you can see right now. Yeah, so I have to be careful when I will be holding the hair. I have to be careful, and I don't need to use the rubber band to hold it so tight, because you see, as you know, that I don't have hair on my edges, so I don't want my hair to cut. So that is why I will be holding it with the rubber. Just hold it little by little, not too tight. Okay. So after set are done, guys, this is what I achieve, like 32 pieces of hair, guys. I can't wait to achieve my boss braid hair. Wow. So guys, what do you think about this hair? I hope this video is helpful to you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, leave your comment in the comment section, guys. Let me know what you think. See you in my next video, guys. Bye bye.